Rocky clearance. Good evening, Southwest 4683 ready for pushback at Bravo 1. Cleared for pushback Southwest 4683. Rocky ground, Southwest 4683 ready to taxi. Taxi to 09er Southwest 4683. Rocky Tower, Southwest 4683 ready for takeoff on 09er. Cleared for takeoff on 09er Southwest 4683.
Rocky Tower, good evening, Southwest 2074 is on final for 09er. Cleared to land on 09er Southwest 2074.
Cleared for pushback Southwest 6809er. Rocky ground, Southwest 6809er ready to taxi. Taxi to 09er Southwest 6809er.
Rocky ground, Southwest 2074 taxi to the gates. Taxi to gate Bravo 1 Southwest 2074.
Rocky clearance. Good evening, Southwest 1183 ready for pushback at Bravo 2. Cleared for pushback Southwest 1183.
Cleared for takeoff on 09er Southwest 6809er.
Rocky ground, Southwest 1183 ready to taxi. Taxi to 09er Southwest 1183. Rocky Tower, Southwest 1183 ready for takeoff on 09er. Cleared for takeoff on 09er Southwest 1183.
Rocky clearance. Good evening, Southwest 8441 ready for pushback at Bravo 3.
Cleared to land on 09er Southwest 9740.
Cleared for pushback Southwest 8441. Rocky ground, Southwest 8441 ready to taxi. Taxi to 09er Southwest 8441. Rocky Tower, Southwest 8441 ready for takeoff on 09er.
Rocky ground, Southwest 9740 taxi to the gates.
Cleared for takeoff on 09er Southwest 8441.
Taxi to gate Alpha 1 Southwest 9740.
Rocky Tower, good evening, Southwest 12906 is on final for 09er. Cleared to land on 09er Southwest 129er 6. Rocky ground, Southwest 129er 6 taxi to the gates. Taxi to gate Bravo 2 Southwest 129er 6.
Rocky Tower, good evening. Southwest 5182 is on final for 09er. Cleared to land on 09er Southwest 5182. Rocky ground, Southwest 5182 taxi to the gates. Taxi to gate Bravo 3 Southwest 5182.
Rocky clearance, good evening, Southwest 2075 ready for pushback at Bravo 1. Cleared for pushback Southwest 2075. Rocky ground, Southwest 2075 ready to taxi. Taxi to 09er Southwest 2075. Rocky Tower, Southwest 2075 ready for takeoff on 09er. Cleared for takeoff on 09er Southwest 2075.
Rocky clearance, good evening. Southwest 9741 ready for pushback at Alpha 1. Cleared for pushback Southwest 9741.
Rocky clearance, good evening. Southwest 1297 ready for pushback at Bravo 2.
Taxi to 09er Southwest 9741.
Cleared for pushback Southwest 1297.
Rocky Tower, good evening. Air Canada 3508 is on final for 09er. Cleared to land on 09er Air Canada 3508.
Taxi to 09er Southwest 1297.
Rocky ground. Air Canada 3508 taxi to the gates.
Cleared for takeoff on 09er Southwest 1297.
Taxi to gate Alpha 1 Air Canada 3508. Line up and wait on 09er Southwest 9741. Cleared for takeoff on 09er Southwest 9741.
Rocky Tower, good night. Southwest 8374 is on final for 09er. Cleared to land on 09er Southwest 8374.
Rocky clearance, good night. Southwest 5183 ready for pushback at Bravo 3. Cleared for pushback Southwest 5183.
Rocky ground, Southwest 8374 taxi to the gates.
Rocky ground, Southwest 5183 ready to taxi.
Taxi to gate Bravo 1 Southwest 8374.
Taxi to 09er Southwest 5183. Rocky Tower, good night. Southwest 4440 is on final for 09er. Cleared to land on 09er Southwest 4440. Rocky Tower, Southwest 5183 ready for takeoff on 09er. Cleared for takeoff on 09er Southwest 5183. Rocky Tower, Southwest 4440 is going around.
Rocky Tower, good night. Southwest 69er is on final for 09er. Cleared to land on 09er Southwest 69er. Rocky ground, Southwest 69er taxi to the gates. Taxi to gate Bravo 2 Southwest 69er. Rocky Tower good night, Southwest 4440 is on final for 09er. Rocky Tower, Southwest 4440 is going around.